There is a wooden bridge ahead. I have to drive carefully.
Oh no!
Oops, the dump truck is stuck here. It can't climb up. Hello, I need rescue.
Okay, I'll be right there. Let's pull the dump truck up. The dump truck is too heavy. It can't be pulled up. We need to remove some wood. The dump truck still can't get up. We need to unload more wood.
Ready, go! Oh no!
It's almost up. I'll try to push it from behind. Look, the dump truck finally climbed up. Be careful when driving.